Here's some seatbelt laws trivia. Subscribe. Which entity regulates seatbelt standards in the U.S.? Is it A, EPA, B, DOT, or D, NHTSA? The correct answer is D, NHTSA. Which country introduced lap belts in the 1960s? Is it A, Japan, B, Germany, C, Sweden, or D, France? The correct answer is C, Sweden. What is the common consequence for not wearing a seatbelt? Is it A, ticket, B, crash course, C, license suspension, or D, vehicle impound? The correct answer is A, ticket. Which U.S. state was the last to enact a seatbelt law? Is it A, Florida, B, New Hampshire, C, Texas, or D, California? The correct answer is B, New Hampshire. What is a common exemption in some seatbelt laws? Is it A, religious beliefs, B, medical conditions, C, vehicle type, or D, age exemptions? The correct answer is B, medical conditions. What did the seatbelt law in the UK become mandatory? Is it A, 1988, B, 1990, C, 1983, or D, 1979? The correct answer is C, 1983. In Japan, which passengers are legally required to wear seatbelts? Is it A, all passengers, B, rear seat passengers, C, children under 12, or D, only drivers? The correct answer is A, all passengers. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.